I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook user ID and username. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first launch your Facebook app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then scroll down. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then tap on see more in account center. Then tap on profiles. Then tap on your profile again. Then you are going to see username. Tap on it. Then tap on username. Then tap on your username there. So as you can see, this is your username. Now for you to find your Facebook user ID, you just need to go back, then go back again, then go back. Then you need to scroll down here on the settings and privacy. Just need to scroll down. Then under your activity, tap on apps and websites. Then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see information, apps. You'll be able to see view more about information apps can access. So you're going to see the list of the apps which you've granted them access to your Facebook. So let's say, for example, if you tap on Timebucks, then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see if you contact them to get support or provide feedback, they may need your user ID. So this is the user ID which was generated when you first signed in to this website. So that's how you can simply find your Facebook user ID and username. If you found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.